In today's video, I'm going to show how to add some quick color accent stripes to a panel of fabric. I have some 1-inch strips here. I didn't cut them, I just had them laying around. I believe they're all fairly equal. You might want to make sure they're equal. What you do is you mark on your fabric where you want one of the edges of it to be. You might want to use an erasable pen, not an ink pen like this. What you do is you take your fabric and you line it up, the raw edge on your line there. Then you sew about a 1/8 of an inch seam on the black fabric there. Whatever you're going to sew, keep it consistent on all 3 of these strips. What I have is just my standard foot in here, and I'm using the leftmost needle position and aligning the fabric up with the outside edge of the presser foot. Do the same. Then go ahead and set the stitches. Then you fold it over. Give a press. And then fold your fabric into the fold line. Press it down. Now, with this presser foot, the leftmost needle, it gives me about a 1/16 of an inch or an edge stitch. So I don't have to change anything. I could just put my fabric in here, line it with the inner edge of the foot here. I sewed down one edge of it. I'm going to sew down the other edge. And there you've added a quick fabric strip to it. I'm going to add another one here. Same thing. Line up the fabric with the line you drew. Do the 1/8 inch seam. Fold it over. Give a quick press. Fold it into the fold, into the stitch line. press it in place. Do the edge stitching. And that's a quick way to add a couple of accent stripes to some fabric. Easy to get them fairly consistent in size. That's the back. This is the front.